Hey guys, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro ZMaster 6000 series with the 60-inch cutting deck. So this does have your 60-inch cutting deck, has your Bullnose front bumper here. This is a fabricated deck with the TurboForce cutting system. It is made of 7-gauge steel. Here we have the movable floor panel, like so, gets you to your maintenance points. This does have the suspension dial seat that is weight adjusted. We have the extra cushion premium seat that does have the Toro logo embroidered in. Comes with your padded armrests. Here we do have your cutting height adjustment, which is foot pedal operated. This does have cutting heights of 1 inch to 5.5 inches. This does have maintenance-free aluminum spindles. This does have a 12-gallon fuel tank, which is going to give you plenty of time to cut. Here we have your drink holder, little cubby, as well as an enclosed cubby that does have like some magnets there that's going to keep that secured. This does have your rollover protection system, the rear bumper. So this is a 37 horsepower Vanguard engine that does have EFI. This also has the oil guard system. Now the oil guard is going to give you a 500-hour oil change interval. Here you have another one of those little storage cubbies. This is going to have your controls, your PTO, your throttle, the ignition. And then here we do have something that is unique for this model. This is going to have your operator information center. It's going to have your hour meter, voltage meter, fuel gauge, and diagnostic indications for the safety interlock system. So all of that is going to be right here. This does come with the Unitized pump and wheel motors. Once again, this is the Toro ZMaster 6000 series with the 60-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.